Hey, it's Brenda with Luke's back with the 12 days of stocking stuffers. Today, we're going to make a microwave baked potato bag. So if you have college students or people that appreciate a certain team, get some of their licensed fabric, 100% cotton, and some 100% cotton batting, and we're going to get started. So these two pieces are 9 by 21 inches, and in fact, we've got a third that's going to be the outside of our bag. So 3 pieces, 1 batting, 1 feature fabric on the outside, and 1 lining. So we're going to take the lining and the batting, and we are simply going to sew down the center to hold those together. I'm not going to bother to lock in those stitches. This is just to hold them together. All right, let's hit our scissors. All right, so let's put our 2 feature fabrics together, face together, and then of course the batting's on the other side. We're going to sew both of the short sides with a 3/8 inch seam. And this I am going to lock these in. Make sure I've got these lined up. There's one. Let's get the other side. Line these up. And remember, 100% cotton, everything. We don't need sparky in the microwave. Now, let's take our unit and separate the right sides that we had together. Remember, the batting's on the outside. Flip it around. And we're going to put that seam that we just made on the very tip top, like so. On one side and on the other. All right. So at that point, we're going to take one of these sides and we're going to fold it down a couple of inches. Take our other seamed side, bring it up to the top. Now I'm using the same fabric for the lining because this is actually the lining. You see the seam that we did in the beginning? You won't see that when we turn it inside out. So now I'm going to sew this with about a 1/2 inch seam, a 1/4 inch seam. I don't know that it really matters. Make sure you get all those layers sewn together. Cut that side. And let's line this up to make sure that we have it together. Make sure I've got this. Okay. Love doing this on the M7 because not much stops an M7 in terms of layers. All right, so we've got our bag made. Now all we have to do is turn it inside out. Push my hand down in here, push out the corners. All right, fold that in, and we are good to go. Now, we've got the bag made. It's got the batting, it's got our fabrics, etc. You can put, in this size of bag, I probably wouldn't put any more than 2 potatoes. Couple secrets on that. Number one, you don't stab the potatoes. Normally when you bake potatoes, you stab them with a fork. You do not stab the potatoes when you put them in this bag. You're going to let them just go in whole. And you're going to let them go for about 7 minutes, okay, and then test them. In other words, then you're going to stab them with a fork, right? See if they're done. If not, flip them over, go for another couple minutes. And you'll be surprised at the fluffy baked potatoes that you can make in your microwave potato bowl. Actually, bag. All right, till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.